Body handling test, BB King. Yeah, good boy. Okay, let's get down here. Good baby. Can I check your ears? Can I check your ears? Can I check your ears? Good boy. Can I check your other ear? Good boy. How about your teethuses? Can I check your teethuses? Huh? Well, come here. Let's check your teethuses. Come here. Come here. Let's check them teethuses. Come here. I know. We gotta check them teethuses. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Teeth. Good boy. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, come on. We gotta check them teethuses. Teeth. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, teeth. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, one more. One more teethuses. One more. Come on, come here. One more. Come here. One more teethuses. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Can you see it? Good boy. Come on. Let's do one more teeth. That's all we gotta do. One more. One more teeth. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. One more teeth. Come on. Come on. Come on. Teeth. Come on, baby. One more. Come on. One more. Good boy. Teeth. Good boy. All right. All right. All right. Good boy. Good boy. The toy in my pocket. All right. Come here. Let's do your paws. Come here. Let's do your paws. Paws. Come here. Paws. Paws. Come here. Paws. Good boy. Good boy. I know. Okay.